Hello, I'm Mariam Manana, and my teammates are Khaled, Shazbek, and Souad Sibaii. Our presentation will cover the topic of digital audio compression. As we know, audio signals are naturally analog, but to be able to manipulate them more efficiently and to ensure high noise immunity, reproducibility, and stability, we often digitize them through the pulse code modulation method, which means that the signal is first sampled in regular, discrete intervals of time with a sampling frequency up to double the original signal's frequency. Then these samples are quantized and encoded into binary data, as we can see in the figure here, where the signal is converted from an analog signal, continuous in time and value, into a discrete time signal, then into a digital signal made of zeros and ones.
Compression is the process of reducing the dynamic range between the loudest and quietest parts of an audio signal. It was first started to control the volume of TV presenters with respect to audience clapping. At that time, the compressor had just in-out functions. Then, the first commercially available compressor was created in 1937. After that, the compressor technology developed due to military research. Compressors started to be used as overload protection devices in radio broadcasts. In 1959, the American engineer designed the first audio compressor that sensed the nature of music at its input. In the 1980s, digital audio workstation included compression as a software rather than needing compression racks. In 2007, tracks started using less heavy compression. Nowadays, any audio that need to be transmitted or published need to be compressed first, and compression techniques are developed more.
The various audio compression techniques offer different level of complexity, compressed audio quality, and amount of data compression. What follows is some audio compression techniques. The MULO quantization, used in phone systems, uses 8 bit of data to provide the dynamic range that normally requires 12 bit of PCM data. It is a low complexity, low compression technique and provides medium audio quality. The process of converting a computer file to MULO is a form of compression, since the amount of data that is needed per sample is reduced and the dynamic range of the sample is increased. The result is much less data with more information. To create a MULO data, the signal must be compressed and later expanded. This process is commonly referred to as companding. The MPEG technique is a complex technique which offers a high compression and high quality audio. This standard utilizing technology compresses audio signal to make it audible to the human ear and removes the undesired signal introduced in the communication path, without assuming the nature of the audio source. In MPEG technology, the fundamental parts of audio signals are maintained. MPEG technology also provides audio forward and reverse features by maintaining the bit stream of the audio signal. Spectral band replication. SBR is a technology to enhance audio or speech codecs, especially at low bit rates, and is based on harmonic redundancy in the frequency domain. It can be combined with any audio compression codec. The codec itself transmits the lower and mid frequencies of the spectrum, while SBR replicates higher frequency content by transposing harmonics from the lower and mid frequency at the decoder. Some guidance information for reconstruction of the high frequency spectral envelope is transmitted as side information.
Digital audio compression is used widely nowadays and in different applications, especially due to the huge increase in the amount of information or data and the need to have this information at all times. These uses vary from telephoning systems or network applications that can process, send, and receive audios to portable MP3 players and music streaming apps like Spotify or Apple Music, which need the ability to transmit audio efficiently. In addition to music recording studios, which can benefit a lot from different audio compression techniques to decrease the signal's dynamic range in order to produce natural sounding music.
Finally, we can conclude that compression is an essential process for transmitting any audio. Because it can give high quality audio, it makes music easier to listen to. Without compression, audio volume would jump around all over the place. Also, compression makes the file smaller in size so you can fit more audios on your listening devices.